Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. I'm going to show you today how to change a battery on a Nissan key, which is a proximity one. It varies on models from 2010 onwards. So today I'm just going to show you briefly how to remove the battery and have that changed. Okay, so to begin with, you have tab here, which if you turn it into the left side of the key, it will help release the blade. So you put the blade on the side. I have pre-opened this key, but just because it's a little bit more fiddly to start with. So if you don't feel 100% confident in opening a key like this, I would recommend using the advice of a specialist, or just take it into a specialist to help. Okay, so you have two tabs here, which you can undo with a small screwdriver, but just be extremely careful when you do that, so you don't damage any of the components inside. So once you open it, you can see you have the motherboard here. So if you damage any of the circuits inside here, your key will no longer work with your car. Okay, so once it's opened, place it nicely on the side. The battery is on the back of the case. Again, you will need a small screwdriver to release the battery. So you just push it towards yourself. That's it, opens up. In this case, we have a CR2032 battery, which is going to be placed with the positive terminal on the back. So as I did here, so you have the positive on the back and face towards the board. Once you've done that, make sure you put it together, you align it so that it goes well together and it clicks like so. Then you can add the blade back into its place, and that will be your key ready. Okay, so again, this key is particularly made for models, for Nissan models after 2010, proximity model. And thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more information in regards to key battery changes, and if you do have any queries, or if you would like and need assistance, please give us a call at the numbers above. Thank you, have a good day.